Assalamualaikum everyone, yes, I'm back with a new video. Today's video is featuring another product review. Which one is it this time? Did you guess it right? You guessed it right where I got it from. It's from Divas. It's this cute tiny parcel. And what did I get? A makeup brush! That's adorable! Here, I'm gonna put the picture here. It's being sold as a multi-purpose brush, multi-purpose makeup brush. So, meaning that you can apply BB cream, concealer, blush, liquid foundation, makeup base, powders using only this brush. So obviously I got curious and I bought it. So let's try. So I did wash it, because you know you have to, and I put it back in its cute cocoon. This is the packaging. So the only thing I did right now, it's hot, is eyeliner. Nothing else is on my face. So let's start putting makeup on. So first of all, I'm gonna go with moisturizer. You know my favorite moisturizer. Ooh, and I'm wearing a mesh cap. I finally found it. I was like, where did I keep it? Because I bought it and I couldn't find it anywhere. So it's here. This is the one I'm wearing. She looks so happy wearing it, and yes, look, it's so perfect. Now usually I use the beauty blender, pew, pew. But today's video is trying out the multi-purpose makeup brush. This is like really dense, but it's so soft. It's really nice to hold. It's like a good grip. I'm not gonna do any eye makeup. I just have eyeliner and that's about it. The birds are fighting again. Okay, to moisturize my lips, I'm gonna use... Oh, enough! So to moisturize my lips, I'm gonna use Lush's Honey Trap. Little bit goes a long way. I'm gonna use primer. Today's video is going to be kind of a everyday makeup or a very light makeup. I'm gonna put on the problem areas, basically my face. Okay, primer is on. I'm gonna use the Cosmetics mattifying foundation. It goes on dark, but then it turns into your skin color. It is taking a lot of product in though. So you can do this. You can be like really rough with it, and it's gonna give you the same effect as a beauty blender. So I don't know. I don't know. It feels streaky. I don't know, like, if you can see it. I don't like the results of this. Look, that is not. No! This is gonna be an honest review. Like, if it's not doing the job that a beauty blender does, then So I'll do this side with the brush. So, what do you think? Did it do its work? And then this side I'm going to do with a beauty blender. So, what do you think? Beauty blender or brush? Oof, it's so hot. Look at my nose. Ew, ew. Look at that. Okay, so I showed you up close. I want your opinion. Like, what do you think? It looks really good, like from far away, but when you come close, it's a whole different story. It's really nice and comfortable to hold and do all this. It's a multi-purpose makeup brush. I'm gonna use the Bourjois powder, mattifying powder. Okay, it's putting powder is really nice. I'm really happy with the results of powder. Okay, let that work its magic. In the meantime, let's finish the eyelashes. I'm using the Lashtastic mascara from W7. For the brows, I'm going to use the Body Shop. I don't know if you can see it. Body Shop Brow and Liner Kit in number 2. Why didn't I use this so much? This thing is annoying. Ugh. I just didn't like this thing because it keeps bending and then ugh. Otherwise, this is like a really good brow powder and liner. Okay, now for blush. It's a gorgeous blush. Same brush. Ooh. So patchy. Because my base is so patchy, like that's why like nothing is working. Oh. And blush never shows on me, like what's going on? Then I'm gonna use the Oprah Highlighter. We need to be seen from space. If my base was good, this would be really good. I think that's the issue. Like I don't want to blame the brush because I feel like the brush really is doing its job. It's just that it's so hot, like it's so hot that the makeup is not settling on my face. I'll show you like up close. Now for lip gloss. I don't like lipsticks that much, especially for everyday. Lip gloss is fine. I'm going to use the Face It Real Diamond Lip Gloss. Oh yeah, we have to clean our lips. Dr. Rachel, however you want to say it. I'm going to use the makeup wipes. And it smells so nice. Okay, fine, we'll put bronzer. I'm going to use the Tom Ford bronzer. You want to look sun-kissed? Okay. I'm done. So we're going to finish this makeup look with perfume. Yes, we're going to be so extra today. I'm going to use Jennifer Lopez's My Glow. I don't know where the cap is. I don't know where the ducken is. It is the most gorgeous ducken. I cannot find it. So yeah. It's such a lovely smell. It's not so perfumey. It smells like when you get out of the shower, it smells like a clean person. That's what it smells like. Makeup is done. So I want to show you exactly how this brush performed. So my final thoughts on this, I'm actually really happy with this purchase. It really did its job very well. So the question is, am I gonna drop this for this? Probably not, because You can never have too much makeup stuff. That's just how it is. I'm still gonna use this. I'm still gonna use this. They're still happy together. And yes, this is a thumbs up. Happy with the purchase? Definitely. So everyone, if you really enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, press the bell icon so you're notified of any future videos that I might post. Leave a constructive comment and share this video. I'll really appreciate it. As always, thank you so much for your support and encouragement. Thanks for watching. Until next time, Allah Hafiz. Bye.